Hey guys, Morgan Stanley has said something really important about NIO before its earnings release. Recently, Chinese EV space has been beset by several worrying developments. Morgan Stanley Tim Shao counts geopolitics tension, pervasive COVID curbs, and ADR delisting risk, which have further impacted EV startups already struggling with operational challenges such as disruption to the supply chain of chips, batteries, and other elements. There is no doubt that EV sector is struggling, but despite all these tensions, still people want to buy EV cars because of rising fuel prices. Rising EV manufacturing costs, which will result higher prices, could also mean EV sales will take a hit. However, given the continuous innovation in this space, Shaw sees his headwind fading over time. Additionally, Chinese policy towards EVs are highly favorable, with the sector forming a big part of 5% GDP growth the country has targeted. As such, while Shaw thinks smaller EV players might not be able to survive against this gloomy macro backdrop, bigger, well funded companies such as NIO should be able to weather the current headwind. Furthermore, the recent secondary listing in the Hong Kong exchange also helps mitigate the worry of US delisting. NIO is currently up by more than 60% in the Hong Kong exchange. In US market also, it is up for straight 6 days. NIO's ET7 sedan is also almost ready. Analysts are saying that these luxury sedans will definitely help to increase their delivery numbers. Today, aftermarket NIO will release its Q4 earnings. The consensus EP estimate is minus $0.13, an increase of 7.1% year over year, and consensus revenue estimate is $1.53 billion, which is up by more than 50% year over year. Every quarter, NIO is delivering around 25,000 vehicles. These numbers are really good if you will compare with Lucid and Rivian. They are in triple digits only. In NIO last quarter also, their sales was up by 102% year over year. In Q4, NIO expects revenue between 1.46 billion to 1.57 billion, along with deliveries between 23,500 to 25,500 vehicles. According to Morgan Stanley Shaw, conditions are tough for EV makers. This is why he has reduced his target from $66 to $34. Nevertheless, there is still an upside of 54% from the current levels. But the average price target is more bullish than South, that is $48.59. The figure suggests 1 year gain of 123% from here. I will also agree with this average price target because nothing has changed for China. They are getting crude oil and raw materials at cheaper price from Russia as compared to other countries. This is why NIO and other Chinese EV makers are not increasing their vehicle prices. And now the stock is listed in Hong Kong exchange. If the price will increase in Hong Kong, it will definitely increase in US also. To me personally, this target is also looking realistic now. What you guys say, which target is realistic among these three?